Guys, so we already used the orange pad inside with a new design on the box. Now we're gonna pull the glass out. Now remember this hook, I make this one a little thick. Maybe I'm gonna make something more thin on this area. But remember, if you want to do and sell this guy, you cannot do it in the United States or any place Belron and Cefly have business, because they patent the fork style. But I do, because this is something I can do. I'm not selling anything. So remember, you're gonna use this guy and this way. So later I'm working on, I'm gonna use this guy as the suction cup with the power right here. On the fork. Okay, and we're gonna use this guy probably right here. Go. There you go. So that will be our setup. Let's go around, and that's it. So let's go set this glass on the rack and see you in the next video, guys. So I have more tools.